baby girls. Hi, baby girls. My name's Wendy. What's your name? You are so cute. You are so cute. How old are you? Are you young? Are you under 2? I'm young too. I'm a baby girl just like you, just like you, just like you. Hi, baby girl. My name's Wendy. What's your name? What's your name? It's thunder. It's rain. Don't be scared of the thunder and rain. It's natural. There's gonna be a rainstorm. Rainstorm. There's gonna be a rainstorm. Can you hear the thunder? Do not be afraid. There is a thunder and rainstorm on the way. Bye, baby girls. It was nice meeting you. Nice meeting you on this day. With the buttercups, what do you say? Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, baby girl.